Hey traders, and welcome to weekly recap video. In today's video I will show you the statistics I have so far trading with MPS and PTA. And if you guys are new, my name is Alexander Nikitin. I'm a Forex trader, I am a programmer and the founder of MPStrade.com. Okay, let us start. We need to open account history. Here it is, and we need to choose a period. We should set this to last week. It should start from Monday. Okay, and then we need to save it as detailed report. We will first save it as an XLS file because I want it to be added to my Excel spreadsheet. So I just save it, I go to replace the existing one, and it opens in my Excel automatically. So you see we have some profits and we have some canceled trade. That's why I wanted to save it in my Excel first. I want to get rid of this canceled trades. To do that, I will choose these columns. I will go to filter and I will choose canceled. So you can see only canceled trades are left. And what I will do, I will delete these lines, delete rows. Okay, and then I will disable the filter. So now I have pure trading. Also, you should pay attention that sometimes I have mistakes. So the trades that I opened erroneously, and then I had to close them immediately because I recognized that I made a mistake. Okay, the rest is very nice. So while calculating these trades, you should keep in mind that they have nothing to do with the strategy, and when you calculate the win probability and loss probability, you should exclude these trades, and you should mark somewhere that these were simply mistakes. Okay, let's go copy these trades. We don't need these calculations. Copy them. Not now. Let's go to open the trading weekly. Here, this is the week 9. We need to add additional sheet, rename it as week 10. Now we have week 10, and then let me go to week 9. Let me choose this format that I'm using here for calculations, copy, and let me paste it here in my week 9 result, week 10 result. So I will delete these trades that I have in week 9, then I will go to week 10, the trades that we just downloaded from our MetaTrader, and I will copy the results like this, and then I will go and paste these results to week 10 results. So what we need to do, we need to extend the calculations here, and the next step, we need to extend the drawdown calculations as well. Okay, then we need to set a starting period. The account calculation should start from our previous week end. So this is the account I had in the end of week 9, and it should be the starting number of my account that I have right now. And as you see, the end of our result, ending result of our manipulation is 75, 302 and 19, and if we go to our MetaTrader, it is 75.2.19. So they coincide. Okay, we don't need the detailed statement anymore because we already copied that into our total Excel spreadsheet. Now let us examine the statistics. Gross profit, gross loss, and total net profit is 10K roughly, which is 15% on top of my account. 15% return on investment. So the profit factor is 1.22. If you don't know what is the profit factor, I will explain you that every dollar that I spent as a stop loss returned back to me as $1.21. You see, if the profit factor is more than 1, this means that you are generating money because you have a return that is greater than what you spent. Maximal drawdown 16k. Wow, 23%. It constitutes 23%. I am very risky guy. I am trading 5% of my account for each and every trade, and that's why 23% drawdown is pretty common stuff to me. But in the end, guys, you see the drawdown was recovered. Okay, next thing that you need to know: total trades, 32 trades, almost 7 trades a day. Then profitable trades 17, which constitute 53% of total trades, and lost trades 46, almost 47 of lost trades. Average profitable trades is 3.5k. Average lost trade is 3.3k. So you see they are almost equal, 106. And if you will go to my other Excel spreadsheets, you will see that this number is almost the same: 103, 107, 105 for each and every week, 111, and so on. So let's go back to week 9. So the expected payoff and absolute expectancy, they are the same. It is the number that shows how much money I'm expected to generate for each and every trade. So this should be greater than 0. If it is a positive result, it means that your strategy is expected to generate money in the long run. And relative expectancy is something that you expect to generate if compared to your risk. If you consider your risk as 1, then you expect to generate 0.10%, 0.10, yes, of what you are risking. Just imagine that you risk $1,000, then you expect to win on each and every trade. You expect to generate 10% of that risk. It means what? It means $100. And of course, if you are risking, let's say 10k in each and every trade, then your relative expectancy says that you are generating in each and every trade, regardless of if it is a winner or a loser. In each and every trade, you are expected to win 1k. Okay, well, that's it for today. Let us add the result to total calculation. And here, first, I need to add this. Control C. Then I go here and paste it here. And instead of week 9, I will change week 10. So the reference is a bit different. And you see additional bar appeared here. And we had a losing first week, then we have winning, 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 then we have almost a break even, then we have winning, winning, then we have losing, then we had slightly winning, and then we have another winning. So only 2 weeks, only 2 weeks out of 10 were losing weeks. And let's do the calculation of this as well. Control C to know the percentage. Control V, and we just change it to week 10. And you see this week I generated 15.23. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What I have here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 as well. It is a bit strange. Oh, okay, now I get it. Okay, now they coincide. So total 15. Let's have total 12, and here let's have total 12 as well. it should be 52 because every year has 52 weeks, and it will have them. Well, that's it for today. Hope you like this video. If so, give me a thumbs up, share this video on social media. You can find the software that I use in description, and if you do your own market research using my software and you will then exploit it the way as you're found profitable in your market research, you are supposed to have similar profits, and I hope you will have similar profits. So it's only up to you, and that's it. Goodbye.